Hello, it is Tim here from Signagelive. I have been joined by Jeff Hastings, Chief Technology Officer at BrightSign. Jeff, thank you for sparing 5 minutes for me.
Good to spend time with you.
I appreciate it.
When people talk about AI, I think there's a lot of people confused about AI or just like they're thinking about ChatGPT, but it's just the surface of it. What's happening in the AI world on our players, as we're talking about at this show, is most people knows about CPUs for computers, and then GPUs, the graphics processing units. People, I've heard of those. And now there's NPUs, or neural processing units. And all of our players have an NPU built into them. And now what we're starting to show is AI at the edge. It's AI/machine learning, people call it that. But it allows you to hook a camera up to our unit and use this separate processor that doesn't take anything else away from the unit. And now you're doing people counting, gaze detection. So one of the applications we're showing here in the booth is it's a camera and it's looking at people and it's counting how long people are looking at each screen.
Right. But you're doing
giving you reports.
All there locally.
It's all locally. And so what's nice about that from the privacy side, the data comes in, the NPU operates on it, and then only the data comes out, not the images. So it's totally privacy controlled because it's all happening at the edge.
Nothing ever goes to the cloud.
Nothing ever goes to the cloud.
Apart from the raw data, the data that you want.
Exactly, just the digested data. Like, 3 people are looking at it, 2 people are not looking at it.
You don't know who, you don't know why. It's this is the on and off switch of what you need to know to make the decision.
And now you start thinking about, what happens with that if I start feeding that into a big data cloud or data lake. Wow, now I could start using AI to query and say, hey, at 10 o'clock on Wednesday, how many people were in my store? And how long did each person look at the display?
Or even at that point, you can start asking it, what should I be looking out for? Go look at the data and see if there's any trends that I wouldn't have recognized.
Exactly.
That's
so
really interesting.
This is kind of the next wave. So we're super excited about AI. We think most people are probably a little bit behind the understanding of it, but from our view, it's like, if you're doing new installations today, you better be thinking about having AI processors because you're going to be using it.
Or at least something ready to receive it when it's there.
Exactly.
100%. Jeff, thank you so much for your time. I really appreciate it. Thank you very much, man.
Okay, take care.